I think this is the. Aren't these the?
Iris is gonna wake
Isn't that
up.
breast
Iris is gonna wake up good. Grandpa kept living?
This is turkey anatomy.
Maybe we shouldn't have ripped the neck off.
So we can tell what end was up here. No, this is the back's totally back there. These are the.
That's the breast.
I'm just saying that it would be a bridge.
Flip it over, Phil.
It'll crap lemon out again.
Over. I mean,
that's the
completely
breast.
flip it over.
Backbone. That's the backbone.
This is the breast.
That's the back.
The wings go like this.
No, because there's nothing here. There's nothing here.
You're right. Flip it over. We're gonna drag. Have you patted
I patted it by very
Can
gently.
you show us that again?
Very gently, I patted it.
Can you show us
Are you
how
sure
the,
that's a turkey?
I know.
Can you show us how the turkey
It
flies?
actually, whenever you flipped it over like this, it kind of looked like a dog that was like at the hearth that just.
We gotta load
Like it's
the
like-
cavity up
Doesn't it?
first
Kind of looks
before
like
you
a,
throw all that stuff out. But there's an extra garlic in there.
Yeah, there we go.
It's a good thing this is a good reason to not eat the turkey.
Are you sure? Can you show us how the turkey
I think
flies again?
I think it's up to you. I have no idea how it flies. I have no idea how it flies. That's up to you, Steve.
No, can you show us how it flies? Virginia, can you show us how it flies?
You have to get up on the counter and jump off and demonstrate.
How much have you been drinking?
I've only had one glass of wine.
Yeah.